How can we create a dictionary with ordered set of keys in Python? In Python 3.7 and later versions, dictionaries are guaranteed to maintain the insertion order of their keys. This means that you can create a dictionary with an ordered set of keys simply by inserting the key value pair in desired order. Here is an example. We are creating a dictionary my underscore dict is equal to, in opening and closing brace we have a string first value 1, string second value 2, string third value 3. When you run the cell, dictionary is created. In the above example, we can create a dictionary my underscore dict with 3 key value pairs. Because we inserted the key in the order first, second, third, the keys in the dictionary will be ordered in the same way. If you want to create a dictionary with an ordered set of keys in earlier version of Python prior to 3.7, you can use the collections module. OrderedDict class from the collection module. This class behaves like a regular dictionary but maintains the order of its keys. Here is an example. From collections, we are importing OrderedDict. We are creating my underscore dict a new variable by calling the constructor of OrderedDict class. Inside it, we are passing arguments which are key value pairs as tuples separated by comma. So first key value pair is first comma 1, second key value pair is second comma 2, third key value pair is third comma 3. When you click on the cell and run the cell, a dictionary will be created. In the above example, we are creating an ordered dictionary my underscore dict using the OrderedDict constructor. We pass the list of tuples, which each tuple contain a key value pair. The order of the tuple in the list determines the order of the keys in the dictionary. Overall, creating a dictionary with an ordered set of keys in Python is a simple process that can be achieved using built-in feature or OrderedDict class if needed. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.